Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to enable NordLynx, NordVPN's high-speed protocol on your iOS device. NordLynx is built around the WireGuard protocol, so you get faster speeds without giving up privacy. And quick reminder, if you don't have NordVPN yet, check the description below. There's a special offer right now, 73% off plus 3 extra months, all backed by a 30-day money-back guarantee. First, install and open the NordVPN app on your iPhone or iPad. At the bottom right, tap on your profile. Now, look in the top right corner and tap on the little gear icon to open your settings. Inside the settings, scroll down and tap on Protocol. From here, simply select NordLynx. Once you reconnect, your device will now be running through NordLynx. So, why choose NordLynx? It's the fastest protocol NordVPN offers, perfect for streaming, gaming, or just browsing without slowdowns. And since it's based on WireGuard, it's also lightweight and efficient. And that's it. Enabling NordLynx on iOS is just a few taps. If you want to try NordVPN yourself and get that 73% discount plus 3 free months, check the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.